Hey, I'm Christina with Tinagirl Travels. I just ordered this new belt off Amazon for my husband. It's called the Lion 7 men's belt. And what's so special about it is the buckle is made from plastic. So when we go through airport security, he doesn't need to take his belt off anymore. So let's check out this cool product from Amazon. Okay, so this just arrived from Amazon. We ordered it yesterday. I don't know how they're so quick sometimes, but let's open it up and see what we've got. It actually looks really nice at first glance. This belt is made with a lightweight, wear-resistant nylon material, which is perfect for sports and travel. It'll allow sweat to evaporate, making it super comfortable and breathable. Plus, it's flexible and dries quickly, so it's ideal for outdoor activities. So this belt comes in black, army green, gray, coffee, navy blue, and olive brown. I'll add links below to all the colors if this belt is something you're interested in. The standout feature on this belt is the buckle. It's made of a high-strength polyacetal, which is really strong plastic, and it doesn't contain any metal components at all, which means you can breeze through airport security without having to get undressed and take your belt off. This is a huge plus for any traveler. This is something that drives my husband Keith crazy every time we have to go through security. That's not my husband, but I think this guy represents pretty much every man going through security at an airport. Let's have an up-close look at this buckle. You can see there's that little line of teeth there. As the belt slips through this little space, the teeth will grab onto the belt itself when it's clipped down in place. It's actually really strong. In fact, the buckle can withstand a weight of up to 150 pounds. And that's not a 150-pound person. That means that the strength of it can endure 150 pounds of pressure. Another great feature is that it's fully adjustable, so you can precisely adjust the belt to fit your own waist perfectly. There aren't any holes, just that buckle, making it super easy to customize. And if the belt itself is too long, you can trim it to your size. It's suitable for pant sizes below 46 inches and advertised from 27 to 46 inches, but obviously you could make it even smaller if that's what you needed. If you do decide you need to trim the belt, do not do it from the tail end of the belt. You want to open the clip on the other end just like this and cut it from this end instead. Leave the tail because it's nicely finished and won't fray. If you cut it, it will probably fray. The other detail I want to show you on this belt is the heavy-duty elastic belt loop, where you can tuck the tail end of your belt into. So ideally, dress belts should have about a 5-inch tail, and casual belts like this one could be slightly longer. You just want sort of a balanced look. Well, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and review of the Lion 7 men's belt with the plastic buckle. Be sure to wander down to the description where I've added links to all the colors I mentioned earlier. I'm impressed with this belt, especially for the price. I'm looking forward to not having to wait for Keith as we go through security on our next trip to Finland, Sweden, and Denmark. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels, and I'll see you again soon.